Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome to Healthy Food Recipes. Today I am going to make very tasty and healthy hot and spicy chicken wings for you people. So let's start making it in a very easy and simple way. So first of all, take a bowl and crack an egg. Now add salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, chili sauce 1 teaspoon, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, white synthetic vinegar 1 teaspoon, and mix all these ingredients very well. After mixing all the ingredients in egg, now set it aside and take another bowl. Add plain flour 1 cup, salt 1 teaspoon, black pepper 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, and mix all the dry ingredients very well. Now take half dozen of chicken wings and first dip it in liquid mixture, egg mixture, by flipping several times. Now put it in dry mixture and coat a thick layer of flour over it. Without using your hands, you cannot do this. So at this point, leave your spoon and do it with your hands. Must coat a thick layer, but if you think that's not done, coat it again. Now repeat the same process for all the pieces. First in egg mixture and then in the flour mixture. After coating all the pieces, you can freeze up to 2 to 3 weeks in Ziploc bags. Now preheat the oil and deep fry them. Don't turn the pieces too abruptly. Give it some time, almost 3 to 4 minutes, until one side is done or almost crisp enough. So you can see our hot and spicy chicken wings. Check out its color and it's damn crispy. So if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel, give me thumbs up and hit the bell icon too. So dip these yummy and delicious chicken wings in ketchup and serve hot. Mouth-watering and delicious, crunchy and tasty. Do give it a try and give me your response through comment section. And thanks for watching.